Hey guys, look! Jess!
Do not touch this! Don't touch this! Do not touch this, people! Don't touch it! Cody, don't touch it!
Stay up here, buddy.
You're gonna bring it back.
Okay, now it's Cody's turn.
Daddy, can you push me?
He's gonna run and jump. Here he goes.
Right into the
Come on,
fence
all the way
post.
here. Yeah, here you go. You gotta get your feet off the ground. Make sure he gets his feet off the ground.
Sit.
He's so fat. I love when you're in a snowsuit. They can't even bend. Okay, come on. Good one. You're stuck. Here, take it up. Caitlin's turn. Put it on your head. There you go. Good, that'll wear them out.
Uh-huh.
Okay, here we go. Woohoo! Ready, set, go.
It's Caitlin's turn.
Yeah, let her take it up.
Did you watch Good Morning America this morning?
Yeah, some of it.
Did you see Trumbull?
Oh, yeah, the band's going
Yeah.
for the president.
But Cameron Matheson was down at Trumbull Hall. He was the correspondent.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the guy from the soap opera.
You lost your hat. Put your hood on.
Daddy, you gotta fix his hood. We go super fast, he said.
Spin him. Spin him around.
Oh, God.
God, you're too funny. Go.
That went well, Caitlin.
Yeah, so funny. All right, come on, here we go. Come on, whee! I got you. Perfect.
That's fun! My turn!
It's Jessica's turn.
Jessica's turn. Take it up, and then her.
Cody, let me see. Kayla's on my lap. Go super fast again. Go fast.
This is slippery snow.
Cody's turn. I'm going to get him one more time, then I'm going to shut this off. It's getting wet.
I first.
That's perfect for here. It gives them a good ride without going
Uh-huh.
so nice and slippery.
Go,
Go like that. Go. You better sit.
He's Daredevil.